Hello beta, today we will solve few questions on real numbers using Euclid's division lemma. You know Euclid division lemma, let a and b any two positive integers. Then there exist unique integers q and r such that a is equal to bq plus r and r lies between 0 and b. It can be equal to 0 also. तो ये एक डेफिनेशन आपको अच्छे से लर्न करनी है. Q is quotient, R is remainder. Question number 1. Using Euclid division lemma, find HCF of 4830 and 759. तो Euclid division lemma 4830 is equal to find Q, we have to divide 4830 by 759. 759 से इसको डिवाइड करा, इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 6, तो ये आपके पास आ जाएगा दिस. रिमाइंडर इज 276. तो यू कैन राइट दिस एज 759 into 6 plus BQ plus R 276. Again, using the same division lemma, 759, ये 759 है. 759 is equal to, you divide 759 by 276. It is divisible by 2. This is 552207. You can write it as 276 into 2 plus 207. Again, same applying Euclid division lemma. 276 is equal to 207 into 1 plus 69. And 207 is equal to 69 into 3 plus 0. When remainder is 0, now remainder is 0, therefore the last divisor is our HCF, which implies our HCF is 69. This was our first question. Second question, find the HCF of 65 and 117, express it in the form of 65m plus 117n. इसके लिए again you have to apply Euclid division lemma. Apply Euclid's division lemma. We get 117 is equal to, you have to divide it by 65. 65 into 1 plus, ये 117 minus 65 is plus 52. Now again same method, 65 is equal to 52 into 1 plus 13 and 52 is equal to 13 into 4 plus 0. All this is A is equal to BQ plus R, BQ plus R. When R is 0, so our HCF is last divisor, which is equal to 13. Now the second part is this. Represent it in the form of 65m plus 117n. This is 65m plus 117n. For this, you have to write this HCF. HCF 13 is equal to, यहाँ से आप देखिए 13 is equal to 65 में से ये माइनस कर देंगे. 65 minus 52 into 1. It is equal to 65 minus 52 into 1 is equal to 52 जो है that is equal to 117 minus 65 into 1. So I will write, instead of writing 52, 117 minus 65 into 1. ये फर्स्ट रिजल्ट से आ गया. Open this bracket, 65 minus 117 plus 65. This is 2 times 65. I will not add these two क्योंकि मेरे को 65 m चाहिए. तो this is 65 into 2 plus 117 into minus 1. I have to represent this in the form of 65 and 117. This is 65m plus 117n, where m is equal to 2 and n is equal to minus 1. This was the representation of the HCF in the form of 65m plus 117n. Next, question number 3. Show that product of any 3 consecutive natural numbers is divisible by 6. तो हमने ले लिया let 3 rational numbers be n, n plus 1, n plus 2. पहले हम divisibility of 2 करेंगे, then we will do the divisibility by 3. Divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2 means remainder will be 0 and 1. So now, therefore, n is equal to 2q and n is equal to 2q plus 1. Instead of writing n plus n 1 n plus 2, I will write n is equal to 2q. n 2q लिया आपने, तो this is 2q plus 1, 2q plus 2, when n is equal to 2q. तो यहाँ पर being this is 2q, this is a product, it is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. Now, second, n, instead of n, write 2q plus 1. n is equal to 2q plus 1. Our numbers will become 2q plus 1, 2q plus 2, 2q plus 3. Due to this, it is again divisible by 2. Now, divisibility by 3. 3 possible values of r are 0, n is equal to 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 0, r 0, 1 and 2. So n is equal to 3q. Instead of writing n 3q plus 1, 3q plus 2. It is divisible by 3. ये इधर 3q है, divisible by 3. n is equal to 3q plus 1. 3q plus 1, 3q plus 2, 3q plus 3. It is again due to this, it is divisible by 3. n is equal to 3q plus 2. It will become 3q plus 2 3q प्लस 3q प्लस 4, ये कॉन्जिक्यूटिव नंबर हैं, हर एक में एक एक बढ़ता जा रहा है. 1 2, दिस इज 1 2 3, दिस इज अगेन 0 1 2 1 2 3 2 3 4. Again due to this it is divisible by 3. So the product is exactly divisible by 2 and 3. इसमें we will write it. The product is exactly divisible by 2 and 3. Hence it is divisible by 6. Hence it is divisible by 6. हाँ जी बेटा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 is show that one and only one out of n plus 3, n plus 6 and n plus 9 is divisible by 4. Solution. Here b is equal to 4. Therefore, possible values of r are 0, 1, 2 and 3. Let a be any positive integer. A be any positive integer. Now a is equal to 4q. तो सबसे पहले हमने n लिया, यहाँ पर रिमाइंडर 0, r 0 से चला, n इज इक्वल टू 4q, फिर n प्लस 3, n प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू 4q प्लस 3, n प्लस 6 इज इक्वल टू 4q प्लस 6, n plus 9 is equal to 4q plus 9. This is divisible by 4. Next is a is equal to 4q plus 1 when remainder is 1. So n is equal to 4q plus 1. n plus 3 is equal to 4q plus 4. n plus 6 is equal to 4q plus 10 and n plus 9, 4q plus 7 beta. This is 7. And this is 4q plus 3. This is 10. In this case, this is divisible by 4. Next, a is equal to 4. यहाँ पर a 4q है. This is 4q plus 1. Now a is equal to 4q plus 2. Remainder is 2 in this case. N is equal to 4q plus 2. N plus 3 is equal to 4q plus 5. N plus 6 is equal to 4q plus 8. And n plus 9 is equal to 4q plus 11. In this case, यहाँ 4q plus 8 है, this is divisible by 4. Last is a is equal to 4q plus 3. Last remainder 3. N is equal to 4q plus 3. N plus 3 is equal to 4q plus 6. N plus 6 is equal to 4q plus 9 and n plus 9 is equal to 4q plus 12. In this case, this is divisible by 4. So you can see in each case, one and only one is divisible by 4. It is n is equal to 4q, n is equal to 4q plus 4. यहाँ पर आपके पास आ गया 4q plus 8 and this is 4q plus 12. Hence proved. Next, last question is prove that x and y are odd positive integers, then x square plus y square is even but not divisible by 4. So again, very good question. Solution: let x is equal to 2a plus 1, because it is odd, तो 2 से it is even, odd के लिए add 1, and y is equal to 2b plus 1. X square plus y square, so you can write x square plus y square, taking square 2a plus 1 whole square plus 2b plus 1 whole square. इन स्क्वायर्स को खोल दीजिए. 4a square plus 1 plus 4a plus 4b square plus 1 plus 4b. We can write this as 4a square plus b square plus 4a plus b plus 2. 4 इन दोनों में से कॉमन फिर से ले लीजिए. यू कैन राइट दिस एज a square plus b square plus a plus b plus 2. Let it be 4m plus 2, where m is equal to a square plus b square plus a plus b. It is even, क्योंकि ये 4 है, ये 2 है, but it is not divisible by 4 because this is 2. यहाँ से हमें पता लग गया it is even but not divisible by 4. Hence proved.